Hello and welcome to Understanding How We Learn. I'm your instructor, Dr. Sylvia Sue. The purpose of this video is just to give you a little bit about myself, who I am, and the types of things I would like to do, and how you can succeed in this course. Okay, so I'm going to go through answering some of the questions like you will be as well. So a little bit about myself. I'm originally from Cameroon, which is in West Africa, and I'm a mother of 2 children. I have a doctorate degree from Idaho State University and a master's degree in curriculum and instruction, so I'm an instructor first, from New Mexico Highlands University. I also did an undergraduate bachelor's degree in curriculum and instruction biology back in Cameroon at the University of Buea. I have been here, or an instructional designer here at the University of Toledo since 2016. However, I have been an online instructor for a while now, so it's teaching online is not new to me. At UT, I work mostly with instructors. However, I also teach professional development courses online, as well as I run workshops face-to-face. So that's a little bit about myself. What do I like to do? I like spending a lot of time with my family. What do I want you to learn from this course? I really want you to just be open-minded about the different strategies of learning and based off of science and not necessarily based off our intuition. The book that I've actually picked for this class is really easy to read, and it includes a lot of pictures. The book explores exactly what constitutes good evidence for effective learning and teaching strategies, how to make evidence-based judgments instead of relying on your intuition, and how to apply findings from cognitive psychology. So that's a term you're going to hear very often in this course, cognitive psychology, directly to the classroom. And we are going to use real-life examples, case studies, frequently asked questions, and a wealth of engaging illustrations to explain complex concepts and emphasize key points. So the book will be actually divided in 4 parts, and I'm going to, as you will see in your modules, the course will be divided into 4 modules, and then we'll go by chapter. This is going to be a fun exercise, so I really want you to go, if you ever have questions, go ahead and ask me via email. You can also call me directly. My office number is 419-530-4016. So let me know if you have a question, or if you send me a question inside the discussion. Ask a question rather in the discussion questions on the left menu. Okay, so if you ever have any questions, don't be shy to respond in the discussion board forum. Anyone is allowed to respond there. So if you know the answer, go ahead and respond before I get to it. I will respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so to pick 3 things. My favorite singer and song is Heaven by Mary Mary. My favorite book is the Bible, just because it just always makes me edifies me. It doesn't take anything away from me, it adds more to me every time I read it. My favorite sport is soccer, and my favorite sports team is Liverpool, just because it's easy. At my house, my husband supports Liverpool, so I'm a Liverpool fan. Just makes it easy that way. Okay, so that's a little bit about myself. Again, if you have any questions, I'll appreciate if you contact me or ask the questions. If you do not understand anything, just let me know. All right?